Hello friends, welcome to Support Grow. In this video, I'm going to discuss about data science with Python roadmap from scratch, step by step guide for beginners. So, do you want to learn data science with Python and looking for data science with Python roadmap? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, you will find a step by step roadmap to learn data science with Python. Along with that, at each step, you will find resource to learn. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Data science with Python roadmap. So, you have chosen Python programming. Good decisions because Python is one of the most widely used programming languages in the data science field. Python has many packages and libraries, especially tailored for certain functions such as pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, matplotlib, and scify. Now let's see in what order you should start learning data science with Python. Step 1, learn Python first. If you are a complete beginner and don't have Python programming knowledge, then first learn Python. But if you already have Python knowledge, then you are one step closer to learn data science. Why I am suggesting learning Python first? Because data science is all about implementation, and if you don't have programming knowledge, you can't implement anything. Now you might be thinking, how much Python should I learn at this step? At this step, only learn Python basics so that you can code in Python. Now, steps 2, learn math and statics. To learn data science, you should have a good understanding of statics and mathematics. Knowledge of statics will give you the ability to decide which algorithm is good for certain problem. And static knowledge includes statistical test distributions, maximum likelihoods, estimators. All are essential in the data science. Knowledge of statics help you to count well, normalize well, obtain distributions, find out the means of your input features and its a standard deviation. Mathematics help you to identify underfitting and overfitting by understanding the bias variations trade-off. Now step 3, familiar with Python libraries. Now you need to know how to deal with data, and for this Python has a rich set of libraries to perform data manipulation, analysis and visualizations. Libraries are the collection of pre-existing functions and objects. You can import these libraries into your script to save time. Python has flowing libraries, NumPy. NumPy will help you to perform numerical operations on data. With the help of NumPy, you can convert any kinds of data into numbers. Sometimes data is not in numeric forms, so we need to use NumPy to convert data into numbers. Pandas. Pandas is an open source data analysis and manipulations tools. With the help of Pandas, you can work with data frames. Data frames are nothing but similar to Excel files. Matplotlib. Matplotlib allows you to draw a graph and charts of your findings. Sometimes it's difficult to understand the result in tabular form. That's why converting the results into the graph is important. And for that, Matplotlib will help you. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is one of the most popular machine learning libraries in the Python. Scikit-learn has various machine learning algorithms and modules for pre-processing, cross validations, etc. Now steps 4, brush off on SQL skills. SQL skills. You should know how to store and manage your data in a database. That's why you should have an understanding of SQL. You can manipulate data using both SQL and pandas, but there are certain data manipulation tasks that can be easily performed using SQL. That's why you should know how to use SQL and Python together efficiently. Now steps 5, learn machine learning algorithm. Now you have learned Python libraries, it's time to learn machine learning concepts. At this step, you need to learn the basics of machine learning and types of machine learning algorithm: supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, reinforcement learning. You can watch the Entry-UNG machine learning course for understanding the basics. You can also check uh, machine learning resources, uh, machine learning with Python by IBM, intro to machine learning with the TensorFlow, and get started machine learning Code Academy. Now step 6, build your machine learning models with scikit-learn. Now you know how to perform data manipulations, analysis and visualizations. It's time to predict something and find interesting patterns from data. So start building your first machine learning model. Scikit-learn is the library offered by Python. Scikit-learn contains many useful machine learning algorithms built in ready for you to use. Now you need to experiment with the different machine learning algorithms. Find the machine learning problems, take data, apply different machine learning algorithms and find out which algorithms gives more accurate results. Now step 7, take part in data science competitions. Now it's time to practice and check your command in data science. The best way to practice is to take part in competitions. Competitions will make you even more proficient in data science. When you talk about top data science competitions, Kaggle is one of the most popular platform for data science. Kaggle has a lots of competitions where you can participate according to your knowledge level. You can start with some basic level competitions such as Titanic machine learning from disaster. And as you gain more confidence in the competitions, you can choose more advanced competitions. You can also check this platform for data science competitions, Driven Data, Code Lab, Ironviz, Top Coder, Crowd Analytics Community, BeatGrid. That's all. If you follow these steps and gains these squad skills, then you can easily learn data science with Python. But the most important thing is to keep enhancing your skills by working on more and more challenges. The more you practice, the more knowledge of data science you will gain. So after completing these steps, don't stop. Just find new challenges and try to solve them. These projects and challenges will make your portfolio more impressive than others. Now it's time to wrap up. In this video, I have discussed a step-by-step data science with Python roadmap. If you have any doubts, queries, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm here to help you. All the best for your career. Happy learning.